It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Markets are whacked. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the BUBBA'S Daily Update for Wednesday, September the 29th. One more day and this quarter is over. And of course, the markets are nuts again, and this update is brought to you by our friends and partners at CTG Capital Trading Group. I remind you, I have many brokerage people that I do business with. I have many brokerage accounts, but my preference is always Capital Trading Group, and very simply, they have the best customer service in the industry that is losing the ability to have customer service. They have great managed futures products of their own. They're the only ones that have authorized for letter of direction trading. And of course, they manage all my accounts. So that should be all I can tell you. They are wonderful and really great people, and they answer the phone when you call. Check them out. info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, the markets are, this is like whipsaw extraordinaire. Today we've got everything up. The Dow up 140, the Nasdaq up 110, 113 now. The S&P up 24, and the Russell up 29. You know, as we look at them again, we are long everything but the Dow right now. And of course, tomorrow we've got the quarter end, which normally would create a particular rallying, window dressing maybe. We'll see if there is any dressing here coming. Maybe they're going to undress them, but I would suspect you might see some strength tomorrow into the quarter so that the advisors can get paid. They got to push them higher. But in the meantime, again, we are short the Dow, long the other three. Gold is under pressure and silver is getting clobbered today. Silver's down almost $1. Okay, it's now at the 2150 level. And some guy wrote me a note the other day, a very nice note, told me he hopes I go broke and destitute being short silver. Very nice person. Thank you very much. Gold's down about $5, and of course we are assuming that gold will go ahead and take out that flash crash low that it put in on August 8th, 9th. And we are short both. Platinum is lower, and we don't trade it, but we'd be back on the short side if we did. Again, at the end of the day, all we're looking for is, where are the best trending opportunities? The dollar is higher, and we are long. Crude is flattish. It's down 20 ticks. It's 20 cents. Okay. But it's at $75. So we'll see. And of course, the EIA report comes out today. Not that I care about the reports. I can give a rat's ass, but we'll see what they look like. In the meantime, we are long crude, and copper is lower, and we are short, and natural gas is under a little pressure today. So once again, after a spike higher, you're seeing some pullback. And of course, I told my day trader yesterday, if you've got the courage and the nerve to get in that natural gas, it's pretty wild. Okay, it might be worth trading. Okay, and of course it is coming down a little bit. We're still long. The bonds, we are now have reversed the bonds to short, so we're now long. Short the bonds and the notes. They're both higher a little bit this morning, but you're going to always expect some dead cat bounces. And one of the things I always tell my members is you should never be surprised. Always be prepared. Know that it could happen based on the amount of buying or selling that happens at any given time. And that is a natural part of the markets that we would never even think to worry about. Okay. So, as we look through, in Bitcoin is, up a little bit today. Look, it's up 700. It's going to be a wild trade. With all the regulators and all the BS coming out there, and the continuing to try to end the crypto space, there's going to be challenges, and it's going to be harder, but we do believe in it. And right now, we are short Bitcoin. But, again, I remind you that you have long-term positions and you have trading positions. They are completely different. As we move over to the grain markets, the grains are up across the board. We are short across the board. Corn's up 4, soybeans up 5, and wheat's up 9. And in the protein complex, we are also short across the board there. And that just changed. Feeder cattle is lower, hogs are lower, and live cattle is just a touch higher. But again, look, we're not in it for 10 minutes or one day. It is a much longer view of what we're looking at in these markets. And again, I do love the grain markets. I think they have some real potential, as long as I love the protein complex, but I think there's still a little bit more work to do on the downside. And of course, I'm only following the algorithms and the trends. And as we move into the softs, a little bit of a mixed bag, but we are long them all. So corn, one more time. Cotton is higher, and cotton's coming well off. And this looks like a pretty solid potential to potentially sell cotton here as a trade, because you've had some monster moves. We popped well over $1. In fact, the December contract got to $1.04. It's now down to $1.02.5. So again, that looks like a potential sale just for a trade. Coffee is lower. We're long. Of course, we're long them all. Sugar is lower. Cocoa is higher, and OJ is higher. So it's a mixed bag. And again, I can't wait until the fourth quarter is over. The third quarter is over, because I think we'll see a little bit of window dressing. I think we'll see a little action, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. I do believe there's a 20 to 25% move coming. I do not believe that it can be up, but we'll see. I'm going to be with the algorithms, so that's just how I trade them. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner, Tradier. It's Tradier Brokerage. Listen, I should only have to say $10 a month. That should be all you need to hear from me. But if you need more, okay, they've got great customer service. If you need more, we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate your equity portfolio model if you're a member. Okay. And for a fee, you can get the hedging as well. Okay. Again, our hedging software is phenomenal. It's all based on our parameters. So, what more could I ask for? But that is try.tradier.com/Bubba. Try.tradier.com/Bubba. And of course, our metals supplier and partner. This is where I do all my shopping. I only recommend who I do business with myself. And of course, it is Strategic Wealth Preservation. Check them out, swpcayman.com/Bubba-Trading. That's Sierra Whiskey Papa Charlie Alpha Yankee Michael Alpha November.com/Bubba-Trading. And family farms, look, free farmers who don't want to deal with the grunt work, and I don't blame you, because I don't either. You can have them help you out, and that's what they do. They work with HR and all the other stuff. And of course, check them out, familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-Trading. That's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-Trading. And of course, the commodity report with Andy feverishly working on the quarterlies. By far the greatest report you could possibly ask for. I tell you, if you're trading commodities and not using this report, shame on you. Go see a doctor. Check it out at BubbaTrading.com, Technomental. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba-Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba-Trading. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see what this all brings. It's a mess. And again, it's going to be some wild action here as we come into the fourth quarter end. And I think after tomorrow, we will start seeing what these markets are really going to do. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.